Hi beautiful, AJ here. Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, I do videos about all things beauty, may that be hair care, skincare, or makeup. And today I wanted to remind you once again that being beautiful on the inside is as equally important as being beautiful on the outside. I do upload every Tuesday and Friday with some bonus content on Sundays, so please hit the subscribe and the notification bell button so that you're updated when I post new content. So if you want to know how I created this look right here, then please keep on watching and I will zoom you in. Alright, you guys, now that you're zoomed in, here is my bare face. This is my first time putting on makeup on camera, so please bear with me.
So first, I prep my lip with this lip balm from Burt's Bees. Then, I will prime my face with this primer from Becca. Since we are aiming for a fresh spring look, I want my base to be as healthy looking as possible. And I am just spreading that using my fingers. I am also adding a very tiny amount of this Porefessional primer from Benefit to blur out my pores. For our base, I am using this BB cream from Pond's with SPF 30. I'm spreading it with my fingers, then I will buff it with my Real Techniques buffing brush. Then, I'll set my face with this Peach Perfect powder from Too Faced and I will dust that all over my face. The bronzer I'm using today is from Physician Formula and it's their popular butter bronzer. Again, I am dusting that on my cheeks and on the sides of my face. Then for blush, I'm using Tarte's blush in the shade Ornate. This has a peachy pink shade that will give us that spring vibe. I also apply it over my nose as it makes my makeup look very fresh. Then I took the brush I used for bronzer and I swiped that on the sides of my nose to kinda define it. I'm also adding a bit of this Luminoso blush from Milani on the apples of my cheeks to give it a bit of a sheen. Moving on to the eyes, I am brushing my eyebrows upwards before adding any product.
I haven't plucked my eyebrows for 2 months now, so I'm really sorry if it's very messy.
Then I'll use my eyebrow pencil from Benefit to fill in my brows, using a very light hand and brushing my eyebrow upwards every now and then as well. I love to set my eyebrows using this clear brow gel from Colourpop as it ensures that my brush hairs are pointing upwards. Before putting eyeshadow, I use my Insurance eyeshadow primer from Too Faced as I have oily lids and I am just spreading that using my fingers. For eyeshadow, I'm using this 4-pan palette from Colourpop. This is peachy toned and I love using peach eyeshadows in the spring. I'm using the second shade as my transition color and just swipe that and blend that all over my lids. Taking the next shade, I'm just applying it to the crease and blend. For the brightest shade in the palette, I'm only putting that in the outer crease using a stamping motion. Then I go back to the transition shade to blend the outer shades. And I'm taking the transition shade and applying it to my lower lashes to connect my eyes. Then I took the lightest shade in the palette with my finger and tap it into my eyelids to brighten my inner eye area. To tightline my eyes, I'm using this eyeliner from Marc Jacobs in the shade called Coca.
I think I'm happy with how this turned out, so I'm just gonna do the second eye off camera. We're almost there. I'm just gonna quickly tightline my second eye. Alright, so now we're moving on to finishing our makeup look.
Then I'm using my Morphe setting spray to prep my face for highlighter. So today I'm using the more subtle shade in my Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighter to highlight my nose and cheeks. Then, I'll set my makeup using this Urban Decay All-Nighter to ensure my makeup will stay in place and beat the heat.
The curler that I'm using is from Kevyn, which is a curler that I recommended on my Sephora recommendations video. So if you haven't watched that, then please go ahead and watch that after this video.
I'm using this Lancome Lash Primer before mascara as I am not using falsies for this look. Then I'll use this mascara from Maybelline to coat my lashes.
We're just gonna finish up this look by putting on some lipstick.
The lip liner I'm using is from the Face Shop in the shade called Pink Tonic, and I'll fill my lips using this lip liner. Then for lipstick, I am using this nude lipstick from Estee Lauder. And to finish off, I'm using this Bare Minerals Gen Nude in the shade called Everything. Hi, everything! So that is it for my look, and here are some close-ups.
Alright, that is it for the makeup tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed watching. If you like this makeup tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions or if you want me to keep creating makeup tutorials here on my channel, then please comment down below and I would love to do a video for you. So thank you again for sticking until the end, and see you in my next video.